Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of one of the most exciting creative tools of 2025, Google Flow AI Video Editor. This isn't just another video editor, it's a tool designed to completely transform the way creators, filmmakers, and even everyday users bring their stories to life. Stick with me as we go over what Flow is all about, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and of course, I'll wrap it up with a balanced conclusion on whether this is the best video editing and AI filmmaking tool in 2025. Flow is Google's AI filmmaking platform built by Google Labs in collaboration with DeepMind. Unlike traditional video editing tools where you manually import footage, cut scenes, and adjust effects, Flow takes a completely different approach. It's designed to generate video directly from your ideas. You can write a prompt, add images, or combine different assets, and Flow will create cinematic video clips for you. What makes it stand out is that it's not just about generating single clips. It's about storytelling from start to finish. Flow was built specifically for creators. That means the workflow is designed to help you move from initial ideation to building scenes to editing transitions and finally polishing your video into something professional. At the core of Flow is Google's Veo 3 model, which is their most advanced video generation engine to date. It produces high quality 1080p cinematic clips, and this is a big step forward because it also generates native audio. Now let us talk about the main features of Google Flow. Multiple input methods. You can generate video in different ways. Use text to video by simply describing what you want, and you use frames to video by uploading an image that Flow will animate, or use ingredients to video where you combine text, images, and reference material for even more control. Camera controls. Unlike most AI video generators, Flow gives you tools to control how the camera moves. You can set angles, zooms, pans, or even simulate tracking shots. This makes the clips feel less robotic and more like real film productions. Scene Builder. This is one of my favorite parts. Scene Builder lets you chain clips together into a coherent sequence. So instead of generating one-off short clips, you can build an entire actual story. Characters, objects, and settings can be made consistent across scenes, and you can control transitions between them. Asset Management. Flow treats your characters, props, backgrounds, and prompts as reusable ingredients. You can store them, reference them later, and build a library of creative assets. This saves tons of time, especially for longer projects. Flow TV. As I earlier mentioned, Flow TV is a hub inside the platform where you can browse videos created by others. What makes it even more useful is that it shows you the prompts and settings behind each video. You can find the prompts below the video, and this helps you to learn how to achieve certain styles. Powered by Veo 3. At the heart of Flow is Veo 3, which generates high-resolution video and audio. This model can create realistic scenes, cinematic lighting, and fluid motion. And unlike earlier AI tools, Veo 3 is much better at handling details like reflections, shadows, and character consistency. Integration with Google AI ecosystem. Since it's a Google product, you can also integrate with tools like Gemini AI, which can help brainstorm ideas or refine your prompts. And Imagine, which can generate still images to feed into your videos. It feels like a creative suite that's all interconnected. Now let us talk about the pricing of Google Flow. Well, it's not an entirely free tool. Of course, you have the free plan for 1 month, where you have access to Veo 3, text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, video extension, camera control, scene builder, 1080p upscaling, and top-up credits. And also in this plan, you get access to Gemini app with 2.5 Pro, and Veo 3 fast Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more 2TB of storage, with other AI Pro benefits. But to do well and generate more, you have the Google AI Ultra plan, where you pay $124.99 per month for 3 months. And with this, you have everything in the Google AI Pro, plus highest monthly generation limits. This is at the range of about $46 per month. What are the pros and cons of using Google Flow? First, the pros. The video quality is stunning, as you can see. Cinematic, high resolution, and with realistic motion. It has native audio generation, which is still rare in AI video. And the control for cameras and scene builder give you storytelling power, not just random clips. It's built on Google AI's infrastructure, which means speed, reliability, and scalability. How about the cons? The pricing. The Ultra plan in particular is a serious investment. And when you're under the free plan, the clip length is short. So here's the big question. Would you say Flow is the best in 2025? Well, I would say Google Flow is the first AI video that feels cinematic and complete. We've seen other platforms that can generate short clips or animations, but Flow brings together everything. Video, audio, scene building, camera control, asset management into one seamless creative environment. Yes, there are challenges. Sometimes the short clip lengths and prompt issues mean that it's not replacing traditional video editing yet, but that's not the point. Flow is about speed, inspiration, and accessibility. It allows anyone, from a YouTuber to a studio producer, to experiment with ideas that would normally take a large crew and budgets, even weeks of shooting. So with its imperfections, Flow still earns the title of the best AI video editor in 2025 because it balances cutting-edge technology with practical, creative workflows. And it can only get better. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore CapCut Web, Runway Gen 3, and OpenAI Sora. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.